This is the Nakto folding e-bike ox. It's a beautiful day, it's a beautiful bike, and I'm going to bring you closer and show you everything it's got. This is how you're going to turn it on. It has a nice big LCD screen that is going to tell you everything about your ride. It has these nice grip handle with easy access brakes. It has 20x4 all-terrain fat tires, and of course, the all-important to me, disc brakes. It has this really nice saddle that is really form-fitting to you and comfortable. And of course, it's adjustable. It has a really sturdy kickstand and a nice back rack, which is always nice so you can transport stuff while you're riding. This is where your battery is. And then right there is the motor. It has front suspension. On the right side, again, another great grip handle, easy access to the brakes. And right here is going to be your throttle. You just need one finger, which is the thumb. Push it down and you are on your way. It has 6-speed Shimano gears. And of course, the all-important horn. To charge the battery, you can just take it out with this handle right here, really easy, or you can leave it in and just charge it right there. To fold it, you just release this lever here, and then you're going to lift this up. The pedals fold down for even more convenience. The Nakto Folding Ox comes in 2 colors, white and black. It has a 500-watt motor and a 60-mile range on one charge. It has a 48-volt, 12-amp battery, and it has a max speed of 28 miles per hour. The battery charging time is 4 to 5 hours, and it has a weight capacity of 400 pounds. The Nakto Folding Ox can be folded in 3 steps, making it incredibly convenient to store in small spaces, transport in a car or trunk, or take on public transportation. The Ox is equipped with 20x4 all-terrain fat tires and a custom oversized saddle, conquering any trailer path with ease. It has an elevated comfort with a cutting-edge suspension fork and ergonomic design. The Ox features a new upgraded 500-watt rear hub motor delivering 52 Nm of torque, and paired with a 48-volt 12A battery, the bike provides a range of up to 60 miles with pedal assist. Ventilated disc brakes efficiently dissipate heat, ensuring consistent peak performance at all times. The Nakto Ox comes with a 1-year warranty, free shipping, and a 14-day return. Here in Minnesota, we have over 10,000 lakes. I actually think it's more than 11,000. But on a beautiful day like this is what us Minnesotans like to do. We like to be outside, going on adventures, and this is going to be the perfect thing to take your adventure no matter where you are. Because here's the thing, we have 4 seasons. And with the fat tires, all terrain fat tires, you can get through anything. So even when the 4 letter word comes, snow, you can get through that too with this. So I'm going to leave all the information down in the description box below, and you yourself can get a Nakto folding e-bike ox and go on adventures yourself. So you know what to do. Go out and make an adventure, no matter how big or how small. You have to sell everything and move into a van. You don't have to buy a van. You can just buy the Nakto and go call someone you love. And as Joyce says, tell them that you love them. And don't you dare forget your magic. I will see you in the next one. Bye.